Hey everyone, Nintendo Malaysia community, epic gamers. It's your boy, Zen the Geek, and this is for Nintendo Malaysia community. So today I've got something really cool for everyone, and that is the Animal Crossing edition of the Nintendo Switch. As you all know, it's a limited edition, doesn't come with the game. I've already taken everything out because I was too excited, so let's just get down to business. So I've already gotten the Switch unit out, and as you can see, it looks very different from what you normally get from other Nintendo Switches. And the first thing you obviously see are the Joy-Cons, and these are in a very nice dual tone pastel colors in this kind of baby blue and a kind of mint green. It looks really nice. The finish is similar to the regular Nintendo Switch. This is my Nintendo Switch. These are both the new enhanced editions, so you don't have to worry about the battery and everything. They both have good battery life. So I'm just talking about the finish. So it's kind of like a matte finish, so it's kind of similar here as well. But the key thing that kind of differentiates them from one another is obviously the back. So as you can see, this is very special. It's got this kind of like shiny laser type of print of the Animal Crossing town. Sorry, I mean island, because now we're on an island, and I really like this kind of design. It really looks nice in the dark, and I really hope I don't scratch this over the years, because it's similar. It's similar to my regular Nintendo Switch, and it's also like a matte finish. So they both have the same matte finish, with the difference being just the etchings of the island town at the back. And that's about it. This is the dock. As you can see, this is where the Nook Mafia crime family is showing themselves. They own this island, and with your ever mounting debt to this crime family, they own you too. But anyway, this looks really nice. It's not like pure white. This is kind of like a light cream color, kind of like paper, cream colored paper. I really advise everyone to keep this clean because it's white and it will gather dust. You can see it, so please give this a really nice rub and wipe every now and then with a cloth. I don't want you to literally give it a rub and wipe with your hands or your feet, okay? Stay hygienic, fellas. These are the Joy-Con straps. These are also in white, like the back of the Joy-Con controllers, and they have the matching colors to show which side goes to where. We sometimes make that common mistake of, sliding it the other way and somehow breaking your Joy-Cons. That's about it, guys. I really like this edition. I'm gonna be keeping this one for a while, and I hope this has shed some light on whether this is worth buying or not for you guys. It's retailing for maybe 1499 to 1599 depending on the US dollar to Malaysian ringgit, and of course the mercy of our retailers. And speaking of retailers, I got this unit from CT Game Store. These are really nice folks. They're very simple to deal with. Just shoot them a Facebook message, ask them if they have the thing, pay for it, they'll ship it to you in time. I did exactly that. No arguments there. If you want to think about whether they're trustworthy or not, they are. I'm going to be working with as many retailers as I can to help the community find out whether they're good or not. I've linked their Facebook page in the description. Pay them a visit, ask about things that you want, and hope you guys can settle that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video soon about the best Nintendo accessories. Just working with some brands to bring that goodness to everyone. I hope you guys have a safe time resting up at home in Malaysia. And and one more thing. Yeah, in the near future, we'll have some gatherings for Animal Crossing. I hope to see everyone there. And hope you guys get your games on time, whether you are buying it digitally or you've already pre-ordered with your preferred retailer. So go on ahead with that. See you again.